Good morning children. This is the 6th standard GK, General Knowledge. N. Nature. Page number 8, Rapid Fire. A. Tick the correct answer has been given here. The first question, which breed of dog is this? On picture of dog has been placed in your textbook. The correct answer is option C, Labrador. Second question, which is the worst smelling flower in the world? 4 options have been given. Hibiscus, Titanarum, Iris, Tulip. The correct answer is Titanarum. Third question, which of these animals lays eggs? Platypus, kangaroo, bat, antelope. The correct answer is platypus. What does a camel do when it is upset? It sleeps or walks, eats, spits. The correct answer is spits. Here Roman number B, write true or false and then you have to write the T for the true, F for the false. First one, curd is formed by the bacteria called the rhizobium. It is false. Second one, fungi and algae are plants. The answer is true. Third one, the sulfur compound released while cutting an onion mixes with the tears to form sulfanic acid which makes us to cry. The answer is true. A flying fox is a type of fox. That is the false. C. Fill in the blanks. Choose from the given box. First one, monkeys, lemur, chimpanzees and gorillas are called dash has been given. The correct answer is primates. Dash used to treat malaria is obtained from the bark of the cinchona tree. The answer is quinine. Quinine is the medicine used to treat malaria. It is obtained from the bark of the cinchona tree. Third one, a group of flamingos is called a dash, flamboyance. Fourth one, a dash is a cross between a male tiger and a female lion. The correct answer is tigon. To do, one box has been given as a to do. Find out the name given to the animal which is the cross between male lion and a female tiger. The correct answer is liger. And then see the page number 9, to the point. Here sometime we use extra words. You have to underline the extra words which has been giving the same meaning. First one, Joshua has gained 15 kg in weight since I last met him. Here already he gained has been given. The same meaning in weight. So the option that is in weight you have to underline. Like that you have to underline in all the sentences. Second one, sir, please give me another minute to finish my exam. I am on the last and final question. Finishing, you are almost going to finish means that is a final. So you have to underline and final. Third one, seeing my grandmother outside our house walking up and driveway was an unexpected surprise. Already it has been given that surprise. Surprise means that is unexpected only, no? That is the extra word. So you have to underline the unexpected. I need to talk to you about something. Do you have a quick minute? Here quick that you have to underline. Divya has scored high grades in the last 4 tests in a row without a miss. That is without a miss is a extra word, extra phrases. So you have to underline that. Saurav has testified as a witness because he saw what happened that day with his own eyes. Already saw has been given. Saw means it is understood. With his own eyes. What's the meaning here? So you have to underline this phrase with his own eyes. Alexander Graham Bell's telephone was a new innovation that transformed our lives. Innovation is already new. That again why the new word? So you have to underline the new. Dinner will be served at 7 p.m. p.m. indicates that it is a night time. It's a evening time. Again it is in the evening it has been given. So you have to underline the in the evening. Ali bought a lovely bouquet of flowers for his mother on her birthday. Bouquet means the collection of flowers. Again it has been given as a off loss. So you have to underline off loss. The twins looked exactly the same. The twins, the meaning actually the exact similar. So exactly again it is given. So you have to underline that exactly. An island is surrounded by water on all the sides. The meaning of island is itself is surrounded by all the side of water, isn't it? So you have to underline on all sides. Amartya Sen made enormous contribution in the field of economics. Here in the field you have to underline. We are planning in advance to go on a vacation. Planning itself, whatever you are planning before you are doing any work, isn't it? In advance, it has been given as an extra. So you have to underline that. Past experience means it's past only. So past experience show that Vinita always finishes her work on time. So underline the past. On a map, the water bodies are shown in the blue color. Here, color you have to underline. Here, page number 10, words and more. Literary gems. Many institutions award prizes to poets and authors in appreciation of their talent. Many Indian writers and those of Indian origin have been a recipient of such awards. Read the clues and write the names of these literary stars. Choose from the box. Dash was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913 for Geetanjali. He also wrote our national anthem. The correct answer is who wrote Rabindranath Tagore. Dash was the first Indian to win the Man Booker Prize for The God of Small Things in 1997. The correct answer is Arundhati Roy. Third one, Dash was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in 2001. He has also received the Man Booker Prize for In a Free State. The correct answer is V.S. Naipaul. The fourth one, Dash was awarded the Man Booker Prize in 2006 for the Inheritance of the Lost. The correct answer is Kiran Desai. Dash received the John Llewellyn Rice Prize for the Room on the Roof at the age of 17. He was also awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1992, the Padma Shri in 1999 and the Padma Bhushan in 2014. Here the correct answer is Ruskin Bond. Dash received the Man Booker Prize in 2008 for the White Tiger. The correct answer is Aravind Adhika. Dash received the Man Booker Prize in 1981 for Midnight's Children. He was also awarded the James Tyree Black Memorial Prize in 1981 and Booker of Bookers in 2008. The correct answer is Salman Rushdie. Dash won the Pulitzer Prize for Fiction for interpreter of Maladies in 2000. She has also written the Namesake and the Lowland. The correct answer is Jhumpa Lahari. Okay children, till page number 10 you have to learn for your unit test. Okay, prepare very well for your unit test for 25 marks. Thank you children.